Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to get the forecast or the weather predictions for every age or every single day only with iPhone. So to do that, you just need to open your iPhone and you just need to stay into your home screen right here, and now you just need to find the space that is blank on your home screen, and you just need to go click and hold them until the application start to be shaking like this. And now the next thing you need to do, go click this plus button and there will be open the widget collection, and you just need to like scrolling down until you got the weather. Whenever you got the weather, go click them and there will be like several options that you can get. You can get this forecast, you can also get this type of style, even you can get this type the more complete information for the weather. You can also get the details in the small versions. There will be an UV index too here. Okay, so you just need to go click the best style that you want to get here, guys. If you want to have this daily forecast, you just need to go click add widget, and now you just need to place them into the specific area that you want to have. Let's say I will let to put them here, and then you just need to go click done, and you already got the predictions of the weather for several days forward. So that is the way how to get the forecasted informations on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.